One sunny morning, BunBun said, "Let's have a picnic today." All her friends clapped with joy. Fuzzle brought cookies. Tutu brought fruits. Chirpy sang, "Picnic time. It's picnic time under the tree. We'll laugh and rhyme." But oh no! Suddenly, it started to rain. BunBun looked sad. "Now we can't have our picnic." Fuzzle frowned. "The sky is being silly." Tutu looked around and said, "Look, big mushrooms. Let's sit under them." Everyone smiled. They sat under the mushroom umbrellas, shared food, told stories, and laughed together. Even Chirpy sang in the rain. Rain or shine, we're doing fine, because I've got good friends and yummy snacks mine. Moral of the story: good friends make every day happy, even rainy ones.